manual radio mode. SQ3 and RT3 can also be used to shoot manual shows in wireless mode. In this case, you need almost 2 RT3s with 2 AT3 antenna modules. One RT3, the one you will fire from, must be set as a master, the other as slave. SQ3 will be always connected to RT3 slave via 2-wire cable. To set an RT3 as master, go to Settings menu and choose Manual Radio on the set mode. In Settings, go to Set Role and choose Master. Make sure all the radio parameters are correctly set. To set an RT3 in manual radio slave configuration, go to Settings menu and choose Manual Radio on the set mode. In Settings, go to the Set Role and choose Slave. In Settings, go to Slave ID to assign an ID to the RT3 filed controller. Choose ID number 1. If you have several RT3 slaves, assign one different ID to each of them. Also in this case, SQ3 must be addressed from RT3 using the same procedure already showed. To check the number of SQ3 with different IDs connected to the RT3s, go to Tools and pressing Enter, select SQ3 Discovery. Press ENT again and wait for the results. Using the top arrow navigation key, you can make the search for each of the RT3 slaves. To check the wireless signal strength and perform a link quality test, go to Tools menu, select Link Quality, and press ENT. Check the S and Q value. Using the top arrow on the navigation key, you can make the test for each of the RT3 slaves. To test battery status of the slave's RT3, go to Tools menu, select Slave Status, and press ENT. Check battery charge status and time to discharge. Using the top navigation arrow key, you can make the test for each of the RT3 slaves. To fire a show, go to Show menu, press Ready to start the pre-fire commands, and wait for the Start Show message. Press ENT to enter the firing screen and send the Show Start command. Press ENT to shoot the first cue. Press ENT again to shoot the second cue, and so on. After a cue is fired, the next cue to fire is selected automatically. Scrolling with the arrows up and down, you can move through the cue list, select and fire any cue in any order. If you need more than 32 independent cues, for example 64, you have to use 2 SQ3s and assign the ID number 2 to the second module. SQ3 with the ID number 1 will receive firing order for Q1 to Q32. SQ3 with the ID number 2 will receive firing order for Q33 to Q64. If you want to fire from different positions the same cues, simply connect to the RT3 2 or more SQ3s with the same ID number. Press the left arrow when the show is over to end the show, and press ENT to discharge firing line capacitors.